Hi guys, it's me Terri of the Yarnjoy podcast. Welcome back to another episode of WIP Wall Wednesday. This is episode number 3. Okay, so I am doing this series every other Wednesday to try to take care of and finish off some of my sleeping WIPs that have been hanging on my WIP wall, which is over there across the room there, and I am doing this and sharing my progress with you so then you can help me stay accountable and to get these projects done. Okay, so this will be my second project that I'm going to be taking off of my WIP wall, and so let's see what I've decided to choose. So I took this bag off of my WIP wall there, and inside the bag is this Christmas ornament. It is a Santa Claus wall hanging, and it is a kit that I ordered on sale. It was after Christmas of Christmas 2018, I believe, and like I said, it was after Christmas sale, and this was from marymaxim.com that I ordered online. And so I had started this project. It makes this cute little wall hanging with the Santa faces, and there's some bells hanging on it here and there. Well, no, there's bells hanging off of Santa's hat. I thought it was really cute and it was on a good sale, so I ordered the kit. Okay, so the only thing I've done in this kit is one of the rings. That's it. I covered one of the rings. This kit comes with all the yarn that you need, and I had to supply the hook, but it came with everything else I needed. The rings and the bells, the jingle bells that I need, and the they're not safety eyes, they're beads to use for the Santa's eyes, okay? And so I'm going to pick this as my second WIP Wall Wednesday project to work on, and get some work done on it and see if I can get it off of my WIP wall, and then I can put it up until Christmas of this year, Christmas, because this is March the 4th, 2020. And so hopefully by Christmas 2020 I will have this finished. Well, I mean, not before then, but I mean I will be able to use it this Christmas. Okay, so I'm going to start working on this, and I will come back in 2 weeks from today, because I do this every other Wednesday, and I will either show you a finished project or at least get a lot of work done on it. We will see how much I get done. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and keeping me accountable to try to get some of these sleeping WIPs off of my WIP wall, and that way it also, of course, will free up some of my project bags, so then I can put more WIPs in them, because you know that I'm always starting something, starting a new project all the time. More than I should. Okay, guys, so we will see you in 2 weeks, and I will show you what I've gotten done on it. So wish me luck, guys. Thanks, guys, for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.